In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the piercing bullish indicator, quick and easy. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to add it to your chart, and how to take advantage of it for a smoother trading experience. First, make sure you're on your TradingView chart with the market you want to analyze already open. It can be any asset or time frame you like because adding this indicator works the same way across the board. To get started, look near the top of your TradingView screen for the Indicators button. This is usually located on the main toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where all built-in tools and custom scripts are stored. If you ever feel overwhelmed by the number of options here, don't worry. We're going to use the search bar to go straight to what we need. In that Indicators window, you'll see a search field at the top. Click into that search box and type the word piercing. You don't need to type the full name of the pattern, just piercing is enough. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results, showing you any indicators or candlestick patterns that match what you've entered. This is a quick way to avoid scrolling through long lists. Once the results appear, look for the one labelled piercing bullish. This is the specific candlestick pattern indicator we want to add. When you see piercing bullish in the list, simply click on it once. After you click, the indicator will be applied directly to your open chart. You should now see visual markers or highlights on your candles, wherever the piercing bullish pattern is detected, depending on how that particular script is designed. If you want to adjust how it looks, you can always open the indicator's settings from the chart later. Finally, if you're planning to use TradingView more seriously, consider upgrading to a pro plan using the affiliate link in the description. It can unlock additional features like more indicators on a single chart, multiple layouts, and other tools that make this kind of pattern analysis much more convenient. Plus, using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added the piercing bullish indicator to your TradingView chart, and you're ready to start analyzing those bullish reversal signals with confidence.